Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review for you, the bmani Wireless Earbuds Bluetooth Headphones. If you're someone who loves to stay active while enjoying your music or making clear calls on the go, these might just be the perfect earphones for you. Let's dive into the features that make these earbuds stand out from the competition. First off, let's talk about the dual LED display charging case. This is an innovative feature that sets these earbuds apart. On the case, you can easily see the battery power in percentage, making it simple to know when it's time to charge. Each earbud has its own power indicator, so you can always keep track of how much battery you have left. It's a great way to stay organized, especially if you're always on the move. Next up, the Bluetooth connectivity and stereo sound quality. These earbuds offer a stable Bluetooth connection, ensuring no interruptions during calls or music listening. The sound is crystal clear, making every conversation feel like you're face-to-face. You won't have to worry about dropouts or lag, which is perfect for those long workout sessions or commutes. When it comes to comfort and design, the bmani earbuds are built for active users. With their over-ear design and ear hooks, they stay securely in place even during intense workouts or rainy runs. The earbuds come with 3 different sizes of ear caps, so you can find the best fit for maximum comfort. Plus, the one-button control makes it easy to manage your music or calls without any fuss. In conclusion, the bmani wireless earbuds are a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable, high-quality pair of Bluetooth headphones. Whether you're working out, commuting, or simply enjoying your favorite playlist, these earbuds will not disappoint. Don't forget, they offer a sleek and functional design that fits perfectly into any lifestyle. If you're interested in upgrading your audio experience, be sure to check out the link in the description to grab your pair of bmani wireless earbuds today. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.